I love viewing sunsets, and I love taking photos of sunsets. Dauphin Island, Alabama is one of my favorite places to do both. For area pilots like me, Dauphin Island is a regular lazy Sunday flight destination, and I'd like to share a bit of the island with you in this video. Dauphin Island is a coastal barrier island situated about 50 or so miles south of the city of Mobile, Alabama. Here we're headed north away from the island, and you can see that it's connected to the mainland Mobile County by a causeway and long bridge. The narrow body of water separating the mainland and the island is called the Mississippi Sound. Situated at the mouth of Mobile Bay, Dauphin Island has a rich history. Indians occupied the island prior to Europeans visiting, as evidenced by numerous shell mounds. In 1763, the island became the capital of the Louisiana Territory. Fort Gaines was the site of one of the decisive naval battles of the Civil War. Today, the island is the city of Dauphin Island. Alabama's coastline isn't long compared to some other states, but it sure is spectacular, and it has some varied habitats and ecosystems. I've often carried passengers on a coastal Alabama tour that includes Dauphin Island and Gulf Shores, then back to Mobile. Here I'm flying at about 1,200 feet headed toward the west end of the island. The airport's designator is 4R9, and it's named after Admiral Jeremiah Denton. Be sure and check Gulf Shores AWOS on 134.525 for up-to-date winds. Landing from the north on runway 12 can be thrilling, as the first 2,000 feet of runway is surrounded by water. It's probably as close to doing a carrier landing as most of us will get. The airport is 3,000 feet long and is paved and lighted. You can expect that there will be several boats off the sides or end of the runway that will be fishing and critiquing your landings. As you can see from the video, the airport is just a few feet above sea level, so be sure and check NOTAMs if you're flying in after tropical weather systems have passed. The airport may be closed for repair. There were no other airplanes parked at the ramp this morning, but there are usually a few. There's most always room for your airplane. There's no taxiway, so you'll have to back taxi to runway 12 if departing to the south. There's more to the island than just a fun landing. There's also lots to do when you get there. It makes a nice little day trip if you're flying into Mobile for business or pleasure. If you have the payload, toss in a couple of bicycles and spend the morning or afternoon exploring a couple of places we're about to detail. This beautiful stained glass window adorns the Lighthouse Bakery, and it's one of our favorite island stops. The window just so happened to be created by bakery founder, the late Mary Scarcliffe. The bakery is now operated by Mary's husband and daughter, fellow pilot Dan Scarcliffe and daughter Krista Jones. Dan is in fact nearing completion of his own experimental aircraft. Located at 919 Shawmont Avenue, the bakery has served Dauphin Island for over 23 years. There are places to sit outside and enjoy your goodies or eat inside. It's up to you. Sandwiches, brunch, and breakfast are also available in addition to the delicious baked goods. The bakery is a very popular Dauphin Island stop, as evidenced by the number of people getting goodies the morning we shot video. In spite of that, everyone was served very quickly. Popular Fort Gaines is a Civil War era fort located on the eastern end of the island. Its sister fort, Fort Morgan, sits opposite Fort Gaines across the entrance to the bay. The Battle of Mobile Bay is where Union Admiral Farragut said, "Damn the torpedoes, full speed ahead." Also in the area is the Marine Environmental Sciences Consortium, or MESC for short. It's a marine research facility, and if your college major is marine biology like mine was, you'll get your training here in the state of Alabama. A public beach is right across the street and on the south side of the fort. Public boat launches are also available. If you've got the time, a ferry ride across the entrance of the bay is a fun way to cap the afternoon exploring the island. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comment, please leave them below. I'll also post links to the City of Dauphin Island and the Dauphin Island Chamber of Commerce. Bye for now.